Tired of tedious paper trails and snail mail? Let's ditch the hassle and learn how to effortlessly get your PDF signed with Pandadoc. In this tutorial, we're diving into Pandadoc's powerful PDF signing capabilities. We'll show you just how simple it is to get secure, legally binding electronic signatures, making document finalization a breeze for all your business needs. First things first, you need to upload your document. Simply head over to your Pandadoc dashboard and drag and drop your PDF file directly into the system. You can also click to browse and select your file from your computer. Once your document is uploaded, Pandadoc automatically prepares it for signing now. Let's add those crucial signature fields. Click on the Add Fields button in the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of options like signature, initials, date, and text. To add a signature field, simply click and drag the signature option onto the designated spot on your PDF. You can resize and position it exactly where you need it. Repeat this process for any other required fields like the signer's name or the date. If you have multiple signers, don't worry. Pandadoc makes it easy to assign specific fields to different individuals. Simply click on a field you've placed, and in the pop-up menu, you can select Assign To and choose the relevant recipient. Once all your fields are in place and assigned, it's time to send. Click the prominent Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of your signers and customize a message if you wish. Pandadoc will then send an email to your signers with a secure link to review and sign your document. They can e-sign directly through the email, or by clicking the link. The process is intuitive and secure, ensuring compliance at every step. And there you have it. You've successfully used Pandadoc to get your PDF signed electronically. Your finalized, signed documents are stored securely within Pandadoc, ready for access whenever you need them, streamlining your entire document workflow.